and welcome to another FasTrax webinar, an event that we do every Friday at 9 a.m. Central, 10 a.m. Eastern, where we cover various topics in the FasTrax software. You can see these events by going to our FasTrax website, goftx.com, click on FTx Lifeline, jump to support options, scroll down until you see the webinars link. This page will allow you to see our upcoming webinars, sign up for notifications on our upcoming webinars, and then also see all the previous recordings from our webinars that we already have done. In today's webinar, we'll be going over FasTrax database maintenance. Databases are an essential tool in handling the digital processes in your business. They are key to storing, organizing, and analyzing business-critical data such as staff and customer records, accounts, payroll, and inventory, among other things. A good, healthy database can help you manage all of your business data quickly, safely, and securely. Some indication that your system may need maintenance would be reports taking unusually large amounts of time to run, seeing incorrect data at corp such as snapshots being duplicated, and at store level, some signs might be longer hang-up times in POS when transactions are posting in POS. To begin the process, you will always want to start by doing a backup of your database. This can be accomplished in a couple of ways. The easiest is to run a bat file that we have here. And what it will do is it will immediately do the backup for you so that you don't have to. And you would do that by running that. And then after it's completed, you will see this ilsa_SQL.back file. You can get this from one of the FasTrax support analysts, and they can show you how to run it as well. So once your backup is completed, you'll open up FasTrax Director and log in with a user that has administrative privileges. Then you will click on the Settings link in the bottom right-hand corner, and then the Maintenance tab at the top. Now, it should be noted that we only recommend doing it this way at store level. If you are needing assistance in doing database maintenance on your corporate server, I would reach out to our FasTrax support team, and they can assist you in doing the backup and your database maintenance. So, what's in this box? The first thing that you're going to see is clear temporary report tables. This runs pretty quickly. You see it clears out all of the items that are held in there from like the last time you ran certain reports and things like that. Then once that's finished, there is it's clear sales data older than date. Most stores will keep 3 months to 1 year of sales data. Typically, corporate will keep somewhere around 3 years of sales data. But keep in mind that you started with a backup, so if anything ever happens and you need to access that data again, someone from support can help you reattach that database and get the information that you need. So whenever you run this, perform database maintenance, this will probably take a few minutes to run depending on your system resources and how much data there is to clear. Once it's finished, you'll go on to clear old snapshots. So what the clear old snapshots will do is it will keep the last 90 days of snapshots, and then it will remove everything except for the snapshots from the first 2 days of every month and then the 28th through the 31st of every month where it's applicable. This process will take several minutes as well. There is a snapshot for every single item in your database for every single day. So this can usually take 5 to 10 minutes or longer depending on your system resources and again how much data you have to clear out. Once you finish clearing out the sales data and the old snapshots, next you could do rebuild indexes. Rebuild indexes will go through and basically reorganize all of the space that you just created when you deleted your data. It will also make it so that certain indexes that we might have added in for speeding up reports, it will make those reorganized as well. Once that's done, you're going to shrink ILSA. This part usually takes a while, depending again on your resources. The rebuild indexes and the shrink ILSA will take the two longest combined out of all of this. The shrinking is basically getting rid of all that space that you've just cleared out and reorganized, and it makes your database size smaller. Typically, after this entire process is completed, clients will immediately see improvement in overall speed and performance, especially in POS when you're trying to post new transactions. There's a couple of other checkboxes in here that you don't really need anymore. Shrink POS receipts. We have some customers that still use the old system that had that. You don't really need to use this anymore. Same thing with a ticket number. There are also two other things in here that you'll see for shrinking the queue records, so clearing out the sent queue and then shrinking the queue. That, of course, is only used at corporate. But again, if you're going to be doing database maintenance at corporate, I would definitely recommend reaching out to support first so that they can assist you. So a couple of other things to mention is when you're going to do maintenance at a store, the register will not be able to be used during the time that all of this is running. So if you have multiple registers and you want to perform a database maintenance during business hours, please reach out to our FasTrax support team and they can assist you in getting offline mode set up on your secondary registers. They can also assist you in the maintenance process. If you know for sure that you want to do a database maintenance at some of your stores and you only want to keep 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year worth of data, our support team also has scripts that we can schedule to run after hours so that no one will have to go in and manually do these steps that I've just shown you. Okay. Thank you for attending another FasTrax webinar. I hope you have a great day.